Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Settings now. This saves time. Make sure your device is unlocked and you have the existing voice control PIN or biometric ready because you'll need it to authorize changes. Once you're in Settings, go straight to Accessibility or Voice Control. Different systems place it in slightly different menus. This step verifies who can change the password, and it prevents lockouts later. Now that you're in the correct menu, prepare to enter current credentials to reach the password options. You'll now select Change or Reset Password under Voice Control. Enter the current PIN when prompted. This step authenticates you and prevents unauthorized edits. Next, type the new PIN and repeat it to confirm. This avoids simple typing errors. Make it strong but memorable. Use digits in patterns you can recall. If the device supports biometric fallback, enable it now so you can unlock voice control quickly in future, without relying solely on a numeric code. Finish by saving your changes and testing voice control with a simple command so you confirm the new password works. If the change is denied, make sure you entered the current PIN correctly, then reboot and try again to clear transient errors. If you still can't authenticate after several attempts, use the device recovery option or contact official support. Do this only after exhausting local recovery steps. One key tip: keep one secure backup method, like biometric or a written note, in a safe place to avoid lockout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.